Hello, I am Dr. Keertana Devasani. I am a board-certified plastic surgeon from Bangalore, India. Laclinic is a very exclusive aesthetic center delivering high standards of care in all aspects of the aesthetic practice. I had the much sought-after opportunity to work and train with its founder and the world-famous plastic surgeon, Dr. Michel Fulk, as well as the rest of the team of plastic surgeons at Laclinic, Dr. Brillmacher and Dr. Smiths. I was treated as part of the team here at Laclinic and got to assist all the surgeries and take an active part in all the consultations. It helped me develop a thorough understanding of aesthetics and also learn the finer nuances of a range of plastic surgeries of the face, breast and body. In addition, I also had the chance to observe the aesthetic physicians at Laclinic, Dr. Higolo and Dr. Leche, and learn from their expertise in non-surgical aesthetics. All the doctors and staff at Laclinic were very warm and welcoming and made me feel at ease at all times. I strongly recommend all young plastic surgeons and residents who are looking to subspecialize into aesthetics to get a membership of ISAPS and to apply for the ISAPS Fellowship at Laclinic for a great learning experience with a world-renowned team.